Multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. To multiply by 10, you add 1 0 to the right of a number. By 100, you add 2 zeros to the right of the number. For decimal numbers, you move the dot by the number of zeros. For example, by 10, you move the dot once. If it's 100, you move the dot twice. Okay, let's start with the whole number. 4 times 10. Put a 4 and add 0 to the end on the right. Always remember, to the right. If it's a times, 4 times 100 will give you 400 because there are 2 zeros in 100. 4 times 1000 gives you 4000 because there are 3 zeros in 1000. 50 times 100, you write your 50 and put the 2 zeros by 100, which gives you 5000. Another example is 2 times 10. Of course, we know it is equal to 20. That's because you have a 2 and you have a 0. 2 times 100 equals to, put the 2 down and then you have 2 zeros in 100. You put it by the 2, which makes it 200. So 2 times 100 is 200. 25 times 10 equals to 250 because there's 1 0 in 10. That's 250. Again, 10 times 10 equals to 10 0 because you have 1 0 by 10, which is 100. So 10 times 10 is 100. We have another example. 14 times 10 gives you 140, which is 140. 14 times 20. Now you know that 14 times 20 is the same as 14 times 2 times 10. 14 times 2 is 28. Then times 10 is 280, which is 280. Now to go to decimals. When you're timesing by 10, remember you're shifting the dot. So 0.4 times 10, you write the 0.4 and then shift the dot, which is the decimal point, to the right once because there's just 1 0. So 0.4, shift to the right once, it gives you 4, which is also 4.0. So 4 is the answer. 0.32 times 1000. Because there are 3 zeros in 1000, you shift the dot, which is a decimal point, 3 times to the right. So write 0.32 and then shift 1, 2, 3. You have 3, 2, and then for that empty space, you put a 0. So you have 3, 2, 0. That's 320. We have another example, 54.5 times 100. Remember there are 2 zeros, so you move the decimal to the right twice. So 54.5, write it down and move the dot 1, 2 to the right. And you have 5450. So 54.5 times 100 is 5450. Now we are going to be doing some examples. You can pause this video and do these 6 examples. The answer appears in 1 second. So here are the answers. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.